here's how you make a copy for yourself of the Google site you're going to use for the rest of this project. On the Thursday, May 5th tab of your class, you're going to click on Make a Copy of this site. You're going to see the site down towards the bottom, and you're going to open it up. And when you open it, you're probably going to see a lot of people on it. Those are not editors because you won't be able to do any editing on the site. It's view only. You need to be able to access the site so that you can edit it, so you have to make a copy. All you have to do is go to the top section. There's 3 dots. Click those dots and then click Make a Copy. And the best thing to do is to name this the name of your country, or at least one of your countries. So mine are Narlia, so I'll do East and West Narlia. That way I know exactly what it is. That's the main reason why I'm going to name it. Then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to leave all this stuff just like it is. Not going to touch that at all. Click OK. And that's going to save the site. Here's where you're going to get into trouble if you don't keep watching this video. You're going to be on this site still. So I saved the copy, but where is it? You're probably still going to see people up here. You're going to think, oh no, people are on my copy of the site. That's not the case. What you need to do is go to your drive, and then when you go to your drive, probably towards the top, it's going to appear there. Mine's going to appear in just a minute. You may just also want to search for it. Sometimes it puts it in different places. I'll go East and West Narlia. And there it is. So now I can edit this site. So you need to search for the site you just made and copied on your drive, open that up. That's what you are going to use to put things on this project, especially for today. And you're also going to add the stuff that you did yesterday and the day before to this site. So you got to make sure that you open this up correctly.